Hi friends, welcome to VividTech Info. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi not working problem in Windows 10 computer. Let's begin the video. Is this first time you are coming to my channel? Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. First step, you search Device Manager in your search bar. Device Manager. And here you need to click Network Adapters. Expand the network adapters. Here you can see your wireless drivers. Here you need to select your right wireless driver. In my case, my computer wireless driver is dual band wireless. So right click your driver and update driver. Here browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from list available drivers on my computer. Click your Wi-Fi driver and next. Here you can update your Wi-Fi driver. After update, you need to check Wi-Fi is working or not. Second step, search services in your search bar. Here you can see your computer all services. Here you need to select WLAN config service. WLAN config. Please check the service is running or not. After select this service, right click and properties. Here you need to check startup type is automatic or not. Select the automatic and apply OK. Next step, open your computer settings. Network and internet. Change adapter option. Here you can see your computer Wi-Fi adapters. Right click your Wi-Fi adapter and check the adapter is disabled or enabled. If the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled, please enable the Wi-Fi adapter. After enable, please check your connection. Wi-Fi is working or not. Next step, open your computer settings. Update and security. Troubleshoot. Additional troubleshooters. Here you can see network adapter. Run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will be automatically detect any problems in your Wi-Fi adapter or drivers. In here you can see all network adapters. Next, after this step, the troubleshooter will be automatically detect the Wi-Fi problem and solve that issue. Next method, open your computer settings. Update and security. Here Windows Update. Please always maintain your computer Windows is up to date, because if any problem in Windows Update, that is also affected your Wi-Fi. So please update your Windows. Next method, you need to download and install Wi-Fi driver in your computer official website. So do this method in another computer or your mobile. Open the browser and search your computer model number and drivers and search. After search result, please click the first website. This is my computer official website. Here you can see your computer drivers. So please download the correct Wi-Fi driver. After driver is downloaded, please copy the file and install in your computer. After install, restart your computer and please check the Wi-Fi problem is solved or not. Please try these steps and solve your computer Wi-Fi not working problem. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.